Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily create indexes in a MySQL table. So indexes are basically used to retrieve records from the database quickly than any other method. So to create an index we use create index statement. At first let us see the default table we are having. We are having employee table. Let's see the records of the employee table. Using select star from employees, semicolon, press enter. On pressing enter, you can see we are having 5 columns in the employee table with 3 row records. Now let's create an index. It's very easy. Use create index statement. Now the index name, you can add any index. Let's say my index name is demo index. Now press enter. Use on and now mention the table name on which you want to create an index and for which column. So we are having employee table. Now let's say we need to add index for first name. So mention first name here. Semicolon, press enter. So you can see we have created a demo index. Query OK, that means we have created it. Let's create another index. Create index demo index 2. Press enter on, then mention a table name on employee. Here let's add index for multiple columns, that is combination of columns. You just need to list the column names within this parenthesis separated by comma, that's it. So let's say it's for first name and last name with the employee zone. That's it. Bracket closed, parenthesis closed. Now press enter, semicolon, press enter. Now you can see query OK, that means we have created another index successfully. Now let's display all the indexes, that how we can easily query the index information of a table. Use the show indexes statement. Show indexes from the table name. So the table name we were using was employee. Semicolon, press enter. Here it is, maximize it. Here you can see show indexes from employee we used and all the information of the indexes are visible. So we created 2 indexes, demo index and demo index 2. So demo index 2 was having 3 columns, first name, last name and employee zone, and demo index was only having 1 column. So this is how you can easily create index in MySQL. We will minimize it. Let us now see how to drop indexes. You can use the drop index statement to delete an index. For that, let's see the command. Let's see the command drop index. Now the index name, let's say I want to delete the first index. Its name was demo index. Mention it here. Now on and the table name. The table name was employee. That's it. Now semicolon, press enter. On pressing enter, query OK, that means we have successfully dropped it. Now let's check the indexes using show command again. Show indexes, show space indexes from table name, that is from employee. Now semicolon and press enter to display all the indexes. Here you can see all the indexes are visible. All the indexes are visible, but demo index is not visible. Only demo index 2 is visible, that is the second index, because we just now deleted the first index, demo index. So guys, in this video we saw what are indexes, how we can create an index, how we can drop an index. We also created demo indexes and dropped one of them. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.